Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. Another thing to mention is that if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset itself. So to reset the watch through the app, you need to open the app first, of course. So tap on the icon to open the HUAWEI Health application. In the application, find the devices icon right here, tap on it. Then select your HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 from the list of devices. And on this page, scroll all the way down, and one of the options should be Restore Factory Settings. Tap on it, tap on Restore, and wait. The watch will disappear from the device page, and also it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.